Hi, this kata is called high scoring word. What do we have to do? Well, we have to write a function that takes a string as an input, and we have to return the word which has the highest amount of points according to its position in the alphabet. Let's have a look here. So the A has a value of 1, the B has a value of 2, and so on and so forth. So the Z has a value of 26. And take this example, A bet is worth 8 points because the A is 1 point, the B is 2 points, and the A is again 1 point, and the D is 4 points. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to return the highest scoring word as a string. But note, if two words score the same, then we have to return the word that appears earliest in the original string. Okay, let's go. Obviously, I already have an action plan. What I want to do first is to create a dictionary with the keys from A till Z and the values from 1 till 26. The first step is to import a string of the entire alphabet. And we use the string library for that. So let's print the string and then the ASCII lowercase attribute. And that will return a string of the entire alphabet. Yeah. Let's assign that to the variable alphabet. Yeah. And from here, we can do the following. First of all, we need an empty dictionary, not unimportant. Dictionary is empty. And let's iterate through the alphabet and print out the index and the individual characters. For index in the range of the length of the alphabet, well, let's print out the index or first the characters. We can access the characters by consulting the string and putting in the index in square brackets and the index. There we have a problem. What's going on there? There's a column missing. Yeah. Well, there we have the characters and their index, and that should be the key pairs, and this should be the value pairs in the dictionary. But we should add up 1 with the index, as you can see, because we are looking for values from 1 till 26. This is correct. How do we add them to the dictionary? Well, as follows. Let's comment this out. We can use the update method on the dictionary. So dictionary.update. And as an argument, we can pass in, first of all, the curly braces of a dictionary, then the colon. On the left-hand side, we can put in the keys that we want. That should be the individual characters. And on the right-hand side, the values, which would be the index plus 1. Let's print out our dictionary to check it out. Yeah, that is working as designed, but this is only the groundwork. Now we are just getting started. Now we have to iterate through the string and print the individual words. So for word in X, does this work? Well, no, because we are dealing with a string type. And this way we only print the individual characters. Yep, and that's not what I want. I want to print out the individual words. For that, we have to convert the string to a list. A string takes the split method, and that means, hey, convert the string to a list and split the string at every white space by default if you don't put in an argument. And that is what I want as well. So when I print it out again, you see that we print the individual words. Perfect. And why do I want to do that? Well, as follows. Here I want to use list comprehension. I want to have the character for the character in the word. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. But maybe you see where I want to go. Here we have the individual characters, but I want to consult the dictionary. I want to extract the values from the keys. The characters are the keys, but I want to extract the values with the get method. So that means that we consult our dictionary with the .get method. And as an argument, we put in the character. There we go. Let's execute this. And then we see that we got the individual values. And as you can see, we have to return taxi. And the value looks high. But what we also can use on this list with values is the sum method. So we use sum, and it as the entire argument, it will take in the list with values, and then we'll return the sum. And as you can see, taxi has the highest sum. Hence, is taxi the word that we have to return in the end. So let's take this, and then we have to compare to something. Let's make a new variable. Highest is 0. If the sum is more than highest, then we have to replace highest, and we can replace with the assignment operator is equal sign. Well, this value, the sum of the highest word. There we have to replace it with. Yeah, let's test it out before we proceed. Let's print out highest. So the first iteration, the highest value is 28, and the last time it's 55. So after taxi, there isn't a word with a higher value, and that's correct, because taxi has the highest value. But we have to somehow return the word and not the highest value. For that, I want to create another variable. Let's call it result, is an empty string. And when this condition is met, we have to simultaneously replace the result with the assignment operator is equal sign with the word, with the accompanying word. So let's print the result here. So the first iteration, the highest scoring word is man, but the iteration thereafter, it is taxi. And that's the end result. Yeah, taxi is the highest scoring word. And that's it basically. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Hope this has been useful. Did you learn something from it? I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.